Angel, you wanna play with the kitty? You wanna play with the kitty? Angel! Angel, are you excited to be... Angel! Are you excited to be a big... Angel! Wait, listen. Are you excited to be a big sister? Do you want to be his best friend? Do you want him to like you? Do you want him to stop hissing at you? Do you want to play with him? Do you want to play with him? What's the first game you're going to play? Are you excited to be a big sister? Do you love TJ? Angel, do you love TJ? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Do you love him? Did you want a little brother? Oh, you want to play with him? Angel, this is a yes or no. Do you want to play with him? Aw, do you love your little brother? Do you love your little brother? Is he your best friend? Are you happy?